Hello friends, peace be upon you. I am having a problem in Photoshop. This problem is this message. I don't know why this problem happened to me. The solution is a website that is a free online photo editor. We can do a lot through this website. Let's get started. When you open this website and login, click on Open AI Photo Editor. And from here we'll open Image. AI options found in Photoshop. I will not discuss other options here. I will talk about AI tools. People who are facing problem with generative fill in Photoshop. I would use the generative fill first. And here I will make a selection. And ask to generate a boat. This will generate a boat here. You can see that a boat has been generated. It then has a generative expand. The width of this image is 600 pixels. And the height is 450 pixels. And I set its height to 675 pixels. And click on Expand. This will expand the image so much. Now if you look at the image, grass is visible here. The image has been expanded very beautifully. Its next tool is Face Swap. Close this image. Come here for Face Swap. Face Swap in AI tools for this image. This is our source image. And now we have to open the target image. As soon as the target image opens, we will click on Face Swap. Here you will see what a beautiful face swap is. That is, the face of the source image has been swapped to the target image. After that you will get the generative transform. Backdrop and remove background will be available. Or want to remove an object from the image. You can scale up the image with the help of SuperScale. I am upscaling this image to 2x. It's done here. Similarly, it has a tool called SuperSharp. And remove noise to remove noise. I open an image that has noise on it. Noise is visible in this image. Go to AI Tools and click on Remove Noise. After processing, it will remove the noise. Noise has been removed from the image, this before and this after. You can sharpen the image with SuperSharp. We previously removed the noise here. After applying any filter, don't forget to click Apply, otherwise it will be undone. Now I click on Apply. Again in AI Tools I select SuperSharp. This will sharpen the image. you can see that this image is a bit blurry. So this image before and this after. Again before and after. After that I will click on apply here. Apart from AI, it has many tools. Suppose you want to apply an effect to an image. Suppose I click and apply this effect on the image. You can keep its amount as per your wish. There are many effects you can choose from. It has many filter, likewise HDR filter, focus/bokeh filter. That is, if you look at this site, you will find many tools. The image that will be used will be saved here as a backup. This website is pixlr.com. For AI tools you have to click on Express. After that, open the image. Suppose I open the same image here. And then you can use its AI tools. Very good and working website. You will like this video about the introduction of this website. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.